Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hibachi-style fried rice. To start, the secret to perfect fried rice is using day-old, cold rice. This prevents it from becoming mushy. Make sure all your ingredients are prepped and ready to go before you even turn on the heat. Key flavors come from soy sauce, butter, and fresh garlic, with a little sesame oil adding a wonderful aroma. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's talk technique. Hibachi fried rice demands high heat, so get your pan or wok smoking hot. Cook your ingredients in stages, starting with proteins, to ensure everything cooks evenly without steaming. Keep everything moving constantly with your spatula. This is a stir-fry after all. Remember not to overcrowd the pan, or your rice won't get that lovely crispness. When adding proteins, cook them first until they are almost done, then set them aside. Next, introduce your vegetables, such as diced onions, carrots, and peas. Make sure all your vegetables are cut into small, uniform pieces so they cook quickly and evenly. Once the vegetables are tender crisp, you can reintroduce your cooked proteins to the pan. For the grand finale, push your rice and ingredients to one side, add a generous knob of butter to the empty space, and let it melt. Then, stir in your soy sauce and any other desired seasonings, mixing everything thoroughly. Taste and adjust the flavors as needed. Serve your delicious hibachi-style fried rice immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of green onions for garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.